Oh gosh.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about the Rare Beauty blush that I received broken from Sephora. This is the Soft Pinch Poudre. Anyway, in the shade Happy. We are going to be testing this out today. It says it's an airy, silky powder blush that brings instant life to your cheeks with a fresh, radiant blush that lasts. Step one, this is how I started to repair the product. So step one was getting a little plastic sandwich bag, or little plastic Ziploc bag, if you know what I mean. And that pretty much was supposed to happen. When did I break my wrist? 5th of May. So on the 5th of May, I was actually going up to get a sandwich bag from my mum's and I slipped going down the side of the house. So there you go. That didn't end up happening. I ended up with this thing instead. So thank you so much for that, Rare Beauty. But anyway, step one was getting a sandwich bag. Next was putting the contents of the powder into the sandwich bag. Now, bear in mind, I did see a video on how this was done on various other YouTube tutorials and without using a rubbing alcohol. Now, I would have used a rubbing alcohol, but this product I don't believe has alcohol in it, so we'll see how it goes now that I've repaired it. But anyway, I might need to put some rubbing alcohol in it. Let's just carry on with how I pretty much did the reparation of this blush. Step two was putting the powder into the sandwich bag and then pretty much squashing up the contents of that blush to make it a finely milled powder. Then finally cutting off a corner of that Ziploc bag and putting it back into the compact of the blush. Compressing it down with my fingers, making sure that it was all nice and flat, wiping off some of the edges of that excess powder that didn't make it into the compact, and then that's it. So guys, let's go ahead and try this blush out once and for all. All right, so here we go. Oh, okay. I promise you this was nice and flat. What I'm going to do is, it seems that it's obviously crushed again, and I have a feeling it's because there's no rubbing alcohol in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this product down now with my fingers. See guys, this is what happens. This is what happens when you don't trust your instinct. I am going to press this down with some, well, I'm going to press it down first into the compact to make sure it's nice and pressed, because there's just no way, it's pointless to go ahead and use a blush that's broken, right? So that's nicely pressed in here that I can see. I mean, it's not a perfect job. I mean, as you can see in my video where I showed you that it was pressed. Okay, well, obviously closing this compact up has made it break apart again. So I'm just going to quickly go and get my rubbing alcohol now. Now, I also have rubbing alcohol wipes, but they are pretty wet, so I wouldn't recommend putting the alcohol wipes on there. I'm going to be using this Isocol rubbing alcohol, which I have, and I'm going to pretty much just spray the contents 3 times with this rubbing alcohol. Get a plain paper towel, put it inside the compact and close the compact. Okay guys, let's have a look and see how this turned out. I'm opening it up. Okay, just gonna touch it. Ooh, yep, still feels quite intact. Doesn't feel wet. Let's go ahead and put this on our face. Finally, I'm gonna be trying out this blush. Just getting my blush brush out. Let's give this a whirl. Firstly, I'm in love with the color. Happy. All I can say, guys, is this color is beautiful. It's got a lovely luminosity to it. Obviously, I wish this hadn't broken and it was still in its little dome-baked shape. But having now repaired this formula, at least I can go in confidently and use this product on my cheeks. It is beautiful. Is it worth $50? In my opinion, no. I think there are better formulas out there that wouldn't break so easily. Ones that come to mind would be the Dear Dahlia blushes. They are absolutely gorgeous. I do have one in the shade called Flushed. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me just bring it out for you. So this one here is the Dear Dahlia Blooming Edition Petal Glow Blush in the shade, Infused, which is this one here, as you can see. Now it's very soft, it's very sheer. I will just give you guys a little swatch. Very luminous, as you can see. And you know, this blush by Rare Beauty, it is absolutely gorgeous. Look, it leaves a beautiful flush. You can build it up if you want to. I actually picked up the right amount in this compact when I was doing it on my cheeks. But is it worth $50? Definitely not. Guys, I would save your money and put it against something that's going to be a lot more worth it. You know, maybe like even splurging on a liquid eyeliner, like the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner pen would be, you know, that's like $42 Australian. I would definitely put money towards getting more of a product that's going to give you more bang for your buck, if you know what I mean. And but the quality of this, yeah, it's a beautiful finish, but the actual formula, it's too delicate in my opinion. So guys, I finally tried it. And on that note, love you and leave you. Bye for now.